There was a girl a few years ago who said, Allah is not listening to my prayer. I said, why? Because I want to marry a specific person and it is not happening. I said, make dua to Allah, perhaps He will give you someone better. No, I don't want someone better. I want that particular person. Come on. Are you prepared to say, oh Allah, give it to me if it is good for me? No, I'm not. I want it. Well, then you have a problem with Allah. Allah knows whether it's good or bad. It took her some time, and then she started looking beyond what she wanted. She says, I've been crying to Allah, oh Allah, grant me. You said Allah may grant me better. Allah has granted me way better than what I asked. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. And I share this with you to give hope to those who feel that Allah is not answering. Wallahi, He knows better than you what is best for you. So keep on trusting Him.